Yes, man, this is Africa, where no one dares go. I'm just this side of paradise, right there. Yes, this is Africa, where the food is great, the people are kind, the women are beautiful, the sights are amazing. This is Sailing Africa, where most sailors don't dare go. This is Africa, where I can row my dinghy to the dock. This is Africa, where I come to get stuff done right here at Cirque de Voile de Dakar, CVD. This is Africa. This is why I love it here. Okay, I think that's about it.